we are enterprise quality leaders, and we are going to be even more. We will need to have the business language more than we used to be, but also we will have a role to educate our business, as they were talking about, to educate our colleagues on how important it is quality, why we are so important to enable the business to succeed and to grow. So I think this is one of the most important things. The other one is, if you think about quality, I think that we are going to be leaders of quality intelligence, how to deal with the data, how to validate the data, how to have faster data, and how to make sense of the data to have all of the decisions that we need to make, and we need to make them faster. So this